Now, Anthropic has made its biggest India infrastructure move till now in India. And it could be actually the hook to unload a long list of everything else it's been building in the country. Claude will run on in-country servers in India through Amazon Bedrock within weeks, following Anthropic's Bengaluru office opening earlier this year. Now, Irina Ghosh, Managing Director of Anthropic India, said on LinkedIn that this is a turning point for enterprise AI in the country. Once, of course, the data of banks, insurers, telecoms, and government agencies can stay within India, AI moves from pilots into the systems which will actually truly matter. Now, AWS India and South Asia President Sandeep Datta added that institutions from banks to government agencies are now, and I quote, ready to harness frontier AI at scale, end quote, on infrastructure they already trust for critical workloads. Now, on the enterprise front, Anthropic named Axis Bank, NPCI, IndusInd Bank, and Godrej Industries as customers using Claude across engineering, knowledge management, and internal operations. Now, among IT services firms, we have TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, L&T, and LTTS, all deploying Claude for software development, client delivery, and workforce training. Now, of course, on the consumer front, we have Swiggy, which has integrated Claude with MCP capabilities, while Instamart now supports natural language search across more than 40,000 products. Now, the other adopters include InVideo, Rocket, Atlan, Cred, Zamp.ai, and Freshworks, using Claude for software development, data management, and enterprise workflows. So basically, India has logged some of the highest signups globally after the Claude partner network launched in March. Now, Anthropic is running its first Claude certification for partners program in Bengaluru this week, with plans to certify up to 5,000 people. Now, Anthropic has highlighted deployments across research and public sector organizations. Now, these include Venom research at the Indian Institute of Science, drug discovery at PopWax, astrophysics research at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, legal tech initiatives by Agami and Civis, and Digital Green's farmer chat platform. On cybersecurity, the Data Security Council of India is building a Claude-powered AI testing sandbox, while MOSIP and OpenG2P are using Claude to strengthen open source digital infrastructure. Now, Anthropic has also reaffirmed its Indian language efforts under its New Delhi Frontier AI Impact commitments, which, of course, through its partnership with Bengaluru-based Karya. Claude has already been evaluated across 7 Indian languages in agricultural use cases, with expansion planned across additional languages and domains. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, as AWS, Microsoft, and Google continue expanding their AI infrastructure in India, Anthropic could not afford to remain absent from the market. Now, more importantly, in-country inference answers where computation happens, not necessarily who can access the data, by the way. For regulated sectors, the tougher question still remains whether hosting workloads on servers located in India materially changes potential cross-border legal access to that very data. Now, is this the infrastructure move that finally lets Indian institutions trust frontier AI with their most sensitive data, or maybe a compelling data residency headline sitting on top of a jurisdiction question nobody's actually fully answered as yet? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.